Hey guys, it is me, Stace. Today we are using the Silhouette Cameo machine to make this adorable little teapot. I mean, how stinking cute is this guy? This is a Lori Whitlock design. I will have the design ID for the Silhouette file inside the video, and I will also have it listed below. And I will have the link to the SVG file from Lori Whitlock. If you want to download this and use it on your brother's ScanNCut or the Cricut, you can do that as well. I believe the file is $2.99 if I'm not mistaken, but super cute and well worth it. Alright, so we have all of our pieces cut out. I just used a cream color cardstock, and I went and used one of May's stamps. This one is called Patina, and I just used this little squiggly right there to kind of decorate my paper. And I'm using Stampin' Up! Basic Gray for the top. Alright, so we're first going to work on the box piece. I'm just going to increase or fold all those score marks. Make sure you get the sides. I mean, this is adorable. I absolutely love this. This would be great. You can put a few fancy tea bags in there and give it to a friend. You can put I mean, all kinds of things in there. And gift cards. I'm using my art glitter glue. I get this from madememadeit.com as well. We're going to put glue on the flaps. You want to have your glue go all the way to the fold. And then bring the sides up. Give that a little push. Do this flap over here. And bring this side up. It's not a perfect square, it kind of goes inward a little bit. Okay, and then lastly we're going to do these two flaps here. I love really cute projects that are also really cute, and I absolutely love this one. I just think it's so adorable. Bring this one up. Just kind of pinch it on the inside to have the glue grab. Then bring this one over as well. This would be great for a teacher, great for a coworker. Alright, so there's our little teapot. Now we have the handle. You want to fold the handle so it's right side up. You want to fold the handles inward. Like that. And then this one as well. And then there's like two more fold marks in there. You want to fold them. Okay, and you're going to put your handle like this. It's going to fold down like that. Okay, just like that. So super simple. I'm going to go ahead and put glue inside here to hold that shut. Then put glue on one of the handles. Then bring this one over first, one that doesn't have glue on it. Then bring this one over and just kind of line them up. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to set that aside. Now we have the spout. And again, just crease where all the square marks are. And it goes together. It's pretty self-explanatory. So we're going to put glue on this first flap. Bring, oh, before I do that, let me go ahead and make sure I got that one down. Okay, so bring this first piece over, lining it up, and just kind of pinch it to where the glue isn't a grab for me. Okay, I didn't get it lined up perfect. I'm going to undo it and get it lined up. So again, you want to have your glue go to the fold. So it doesn't lay flat, so you kind of just have to hold it there. Okay, so we got that one done. Now we have these two flaps. They're going to go down, and this one's going to get glued to that piece like that and tucked under. Oh, I guess it doesn't. No, I didn't tuck mine in. Alright, so I'm going to put glue on these two flaps here. And then bring this one down on top of that. I'm going to put glue on that little piece as well, top, to hold that down as well. And just hold it down. Kind of put it on the table. Just so the glue is in a grab. And my glue, for some reason, is not grabbing today. Let's try it again. Get it lined up on the sides. line it on my desk, on my table, just to hold it down some. You really can't stick your finger in there to grab anything. Okay, I'm gonna let that one sit. All right, now we have the top. Just fold this all up. It's just gonna form a little box. Just make sure you fold it in all the directions. Now to make the top easier, I'm going to take my scissors and cut 2 of these tabs off. Otherwise you'll be fiddling with it forever. Alright, now we're going to put glue on the flaps. I'm going to attach the sides. Just give it a pinch. Do the other side. Bring that one in. It's fiddly because it's so small, but it's easy to go together. And now we have the other 2 flaps right here. I'm just going to fold one down. I'm going to put glue on both and just bring this piece up. Okay, so now we have a little box with the 2 handles. Hopefully you can see that as well. Alright, set that aside. Now we have our lid. You'll see the 4 notches. So if you left all 4 there, you would have 4 of these and you have to shimmy them in here. So it's easier just having the 2. Alright, go ahead and crease all these guys on the score marks. I apologize if you can hear my radio. Alright. I'm going to put glue on the flap. Before I'm going to do this first. So I'm going to take this piece and just put it in, just like that. Then put glue behind those little flaps to hold them down. So if you had the 4, you would do the same thing with 4, but I think it holds just fine using the 2 and you're not fiddling with it. Now we have this piece as well. And this piece is going to go under that to hide this part here, so it looks a little bit neater. Okay. Alright, now we're going to put glue on our flaps, then form the lid, and then we're going to attach the other pieces. Just give it a pinch so the glue grabs. Again, you want to have your glue go to the fold. Do this one. And our last one, right here. Just hold that in place until it grabs and our lid is done. Alright, now this is going to go inside that slice mark. I want to put glue on this piece to help hold it down, and then just kind of shimmy it in there. And then pull it through like that, and then just press on it. So now we have our handle. And now we have this piece. Put glue just on that bottom flat piece. This is going to go on the other side of our teapot. About a, I don't know, not so low. I'd say maybe about 1/8 of an inch above that, and just kind of hold it there until it grabs. If you want to use a stronger tape, you could. I think the art glitter glue works fine though. This is so, so cute. Alright, then put your lid on top. How stinking cute, right? So we have that one here, and then we have that one there. Absolutely love it. And again, I will have the design file inside the video as well as below, and I will also have the link to the SVG for Lori Whitlock below as well. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.